Hello and welcome to another episode of I f***ed up.
Volkswagen, das Auto.
This is broken and I kind of know why, but I don't know why. So we're going to be fixing it hopefully today and getting it running for tomorrow's show, bringing all the classics in. So hopefully it makes it there. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's do a quick tour because there's so many things wrong that shouldn't be wrong but are wrong. This is what happens when you buy a 22-year-old Italian car that everyone's neglected for 22 years, unfortunately. That's broken. The rubber trim's going, that's gone white. This door's all right, it works. It's got a dent here. Yeah, how do you dent this? It's got about 3 or 4 layers of paint that have been slapped on top. But then up here, it's got 1 layer. So that's hit. It's got a really, really bad battery. That's, come. So this is the battery holder. But here we have a horseshoe saddle clamp holding this, I don't even know what brand battery. So we're gonna be swapping that because that's really, really bad. That's hit, but like that's nice and solid, so like, I don't even know how you do that, really. This window shouldn't be open, but it's open. I don't know if you can show this, that there's 2 tones of paint on this A-pillar. The buttons, oh, the center console, that's my favorite actually. All of that is not working. We're missing the ashtray, we're missing the plastic CD stacker thingy. That's broken. We have a nice spinny badge and we have running issues. So the initial diagnostics is that there's a MAF sensor problem. So I've got a brand new MAF sensor. We're going to be swapping that. We'll do some spark plugs. I've got some gaskets for the heads, for the cam covers. And we'll do that maybe a little bit later. Oil change and we don't have 5th gear. This engine hasn't been touched, so no one's actually molested this at all. So hopefully it should be okay. We'll do an air filter, which is down here. We'll do a cabin filter, and I think that's really about it. We're just going to tidy things up slowly, bit by bit, and see how we go from there. So these clips, you just rotate them and then they come off nice and easy. You get this cover off, put it to the side. That's loose, it's great. Here's a MAF sensor, so that's the connector for it. And you're kidding. That's like, I don't know if you can see that, but that's like half off. That's maybe take this off. Let's take this cover off. Let's get a screwdriver and take this cover off to show you what's happened here. I might not even need the other MAF. So there is a hose clamp underneath here. We're just gonna disconnect. Just connect it to this hose. Oh, there we go. And, ooh, it's oily. A little bit too oily, okay. That's all right, that's normal because this is your blow-by system, so there should be some oil in there. That's all right, that's not too bad. But that's meant to be round and circular. But that's like a teardrop of some sort. Yeah, that's great. All right, let's maybe. MASERATI. What? What's that meant to mean? Is that like an Easter egg from Maserati, or is this like an aftermarket part? I don't know. I really don't know. That's weird as. All right. Oh, okay. That wasn't even in properly either. That shouldn't have just come off. Is it? Oh, yeah. There's meant to be an O-ring around that. Okay, that makes sense. Why that's not great. And there's crap in here. Oh my, there's junk in there. So we've actually pulled in a lot of crud. That's all right. We've got a new air filter, so that should fix that. Oh my god. Yeah, there's a lot of good stuff in there. That's all right. That's gonna have to stay like that. But sensor looks okay. Is that screwed in good? Yeah, it's on. Okay, that was a little bit loose. Someone's been in there at some point in time. That's like half off as well. Pretty sure that's meant to be on the throttle body, so we're gonna put that back on the throttle body. That's meant to be there, the plug, I think. One of the ways. All right, let's, hang on, is this broken though? It's meant to like clip in, I think. So when this goes in, oh, yeah, that's meant to seal somehow. It's meant to have clips, and it doesn't have clips. I think it's meant to be these two sides. It's meant to have some clip going over the top, but it's just missing completely. So it's meant to sit upright. I might have to 3D print something and make that so that's secure, because, well, you don't want to be sucking in all the crud that's from everywhere. Oh. All right, so that's the inside of that, which is a little dirty. That's okay. A little bit of oil, a little bit of build-up, but that's all right. It's not too bad. It's like standard, normal. But yeah, that's not really a great flange to hold. Oh yeah, the rubber has like a little lip to hold it on. That's okay. As long as that rubber doesn't perish and doesn't slide off, it's all right. Let's clean this up. Just gonna put that in there. Try to get this down and in. Nope. Oh, there we go. It's on. Beautiful. Very good. Put that on. Perfect. So we fixed something. Let's change the battery and let's take it for a spin. To replace the battery in all these Maseratis, you're gonna have to remove this carpet trim. Except that this carpet trim's stuck behind this bottom carpet trim, which means you got to pull that out, which means you got to pull the spare tire out, which means you got to pull everything. No, I'm kidding. This one, being a really tiny thing, hopefully we can just unscrew it and call it a day. Let's go 10 mil negative. It's off. It's really not look like it's seen better days. It really has seen better days. And we should be free to pull this thing out. Jeez, it's heavy. And it's a little baby. Ooh, yeah, it's red. Oh, it doesn't say what's red. It says charge. Black is charge. White is replace. And green is okay. And we got a red on that, so it's none of them. Ooh, okay. I've never seen the inside here before. There's a lot of relays and fuses, and I think these two are your main two fuses for stuff, for your power coming in. Someone's done some jerry rigging here. I don't know what this goes. What is this? What does this run to? There's like a Y, extra Y here that runs to. So fuses have a clip all the way up in the corner there. So we'll just do that. Battery. It wants to go. Perfect. And then this just slides in. I'm just gonna secure it and call it a day. Beautiful. Oh yeah, I should have turned that. I didn't turn that. Never mind. At least this thing works.
Yeah, CD stacker, baby.
roof. Unfortunately, it has nothing in it. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention, this doesn't shut. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. All right, we'll do a turn on. Ugh. And check engine light. Oh, it's gone, hey! My favorite. Let's move it that way a little bit. So we're gonna stay there. Yeah. We just need some space on that side. So. It's my favorite floor jack. Because, you know, I don't need anything else. Hang on, before I go too high, I need to take this wheel off. So let's get some 19, oh no, they're 21s. It's a funny size. Just quickly move that to the side. Okay, so you've got to lift it up. There we are. There we go. All right, we're in. Okay. Air filter. Do you see the problem? There's leaves on the inside. So this was sitting. Someone went, I'm going to put this on, and they just shoved it on and called it a day. Aftermarket original. So we'll put the original in, so that doesn't happen. That was ridiculous. The thing what I don't understand is, how is this meant to sit? This is the original. I don't know what someone's done.
Well, they wanted better performance, so they put a smaller one in. Lighter weight, you know?
Yeah, lighter weight. Now we have an air filter, so it's filtered. So we should have no problem. Hopefully. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't know what happened there. Read DTC. Misfire, 1, 2, 3. We got 3 cylinders down. All right, good. Which means this is what we needed. This is what we needed. Now we have some codes. In order to investigate, you gotta drive it. You gotta test drive it. You gotta let the ECU tell you everything that's wrong, because this is new style electronics and engine management systems. So, all right. Well, this is gonna be nice and toasty. So. We'll undo the 2 5mm and then 1, 2, 3. I'm pretty sure this is 1, 2, 3 because it's the left-hand bank. Left-hand bank is usually always cylinder 1 to... No, sorry. Right-hand bank is usually cylinder 1 to... 1, 2, 3. It's this bank, not that one, this one. All right, let's take this off then. Take all these off maybe. It's going to be easier. Black.
The theme here, maybe all the stuff would need to be replaced.
That's okay, we can do all of them. But just 1, 2, and 3 that were like a problem. Did I clear all the codes? I don't remember. Maybe.
That sounds much better.
I didn't clear the codes. I'll quickly clear it just in case so it doesn't give a headache. Let's see if this doesn't die on us now. That stinks still. Oh, great. Car's back alive. Back to, it's not 100% health, but close enough. We can have some fun, James.
A few moments later.
have we got here, Jan?
I'm just gonna read the placard because I don't know.
Smart.
It's a 365 2x2 GT, 1970.
Nice.
Looks very, very cool and clean and amazing.
Look at that.
Honestly, it's very, very tidy.
God.
It's someone spent some good money on this.
Very nice.
It's very, very tidy. Just old manning it, you know. Stand on the distance, poke the head in, and like, yes, I know exactly what I'm looking at. The Diablo. Have you seen it? This one's. It's
I haven't seen this
Oh, they
one.
put the
doors up,
doors
as
up.
you do, as you do.
But on the other side, you have a Pantera, another level of cool.
Absolute classic.
Like look at those tailpipes, just magnifico.
What's that gold one over there? That one looks really familiar.
That one looks too familiar, and it's yeah, I got it here somehow. Oh, he hasn't locked it. Hey, where's Liam? A mess. Half the interior is apart because it's broken.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, no, it needs being fixed. It's getting fixed, and you have to fix it slowly. You can't fix it every single day, as I found out recently. This 4200, it's an import, but have a look in the center console. Oh, it's a manual, and from my understanding, there are no Aussie delivered manuals.
Huh.
So they're all the manuals in the country are imports. So
Wow.
pretty cool though.
It's nice
Red,
colour
I like
too.
the red. I
Yeah,
like
it's
the
really
red.
nice colour.
Red
Makes it go
just
faster, obviously. Yeah.
a race car.
Exactly.
Race car. So this is a new piece of shit. It sounds like a piece of shit. And honestly, it's a bit much. This paint is, I don't know what they've done here. What have they done here, Daniel?
Gay.
Yeah, gay. I don't even want to look at it anymore. Why would you buy this thing when you can buy one of these? Yeah? 228, leather interior, that's the comfiest thing you've ever sat in. It's like a sofa couch. When you sit in this thing, it's like you're in heaven, really. It's got a beautiful V6 that you can't see because I haven't popped it on. And like, honestly, why would you want to buy that when you can buy this? This is way more car than that. So we had a wonderful day today when it's raining, so everyone's leaving. People are here since 8 in the morning, so
Too early.
long morning, and everyone's looked at every car, and yeah, it's good. Slowly, see something different. You don't come to these every single day, so
Yeah.
it's cool. It was fun.
Volkswagen, das Auto.